Accreditation Program. Continuing the tradition of quality education that Bicol University is known for, we gather today once again for the Accrediting Agency of Chartered Colleges and Universities Online Program Accreditation. Indeed, Bicol University continuously improves and sustains its status as the premier state university in the Bicol region. Once again, welcome everyone to this ACUP Online Program Accreditation. As your host, let me remind everyone to set in mute mode your videos when you're not speaking and are not being addressed. You may, however, opt to either open your video cams or let it remain closed throughout the program, except during the photo session where I will be requesting everyone to open their video cams. From today until March 9, our partners in quality education from the AACUP will be joining us in this virtual accreditation of the following programs: Master of Arts in Education, Doctor of Educational Management, and Master of Arts in Public Administration from the main campus, with Master of Arts in Industrial Education and Bachelor of Technical Teacher Education from the Legazpi East Campus. All these programs will undergo a ACUP program accreditation. So as we begin, I invite everyone to connect with God in your respective places as we invoke His presence and providence in an opening prayer led by Dr. Dolores D. Laguilles, member, Internal Quality Assurance Office. An audiovisual presentation of the Philippine National Anthem will follow.
Let us put ourselves in the presence of the Lord. Dear Lord, we praise and glorify your name, and we humbly beg for your presence before we start this ACUP online program accreditation from March 7 to 9, 2022. We offer to you today this endeavor. Bestow your grace and discernment to all of us present here, so we could cooperate and enjoy camaraderie and love for the greater glory of your name. Bless our accreditors with discernment, so they may evaluate our works with understanding and objectivity. Fill us with your grace, Lord, as we go through the accreditation of Master of Arts in Education, Doctor of Educational Management, Master of Arts in Public Administration, Master of Arts in Industrial Education, and Bachelor of Technical Teacher Education. Continue to remind us that what we do here today, all that we accomplish, is for your greater glory and for the service of humanity. This we ask through Jesus Christ, your Son, and through the intercession of Our Lady of Peña Francia, the patroness of Bicol. Amen.
Mayang magiliw, perlas ng silanganan, anak ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupa Bayan ka ng magiting sa manlulupig, di ka pasisili sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mabaga. May nilagang tulad, awit sa paglayang minamahal. Pag-islap ng matawat mo'y tagumpay na naglilingig. Ang bituin na tara niya, kailan pa mali magdidili. Lupa ng araw ng bakit pagsinta mo'y langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pamay mga pilang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Thank you, Dr. Dolly, for the opening prayer. Bicol University is blessed with our hardworking Vice President for Academic Affairs, who is with us today to welcome us and present the university officials, including the local accreditation task force. Friends, colleagues, dear ACUP accreditors, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Vice President for Academic Affairs, Engineer Dr. Amelia A. De Rosa.
Thank you very much, Dr. Ren. To our beloved President, Dr. Noli Mascareñas, our Vice Presidents, our Deans and Directors, our IQA team, who is very hardworking, our task forces from the respective programs that will be accredited today. Of course, our beloved accreditors, which will be introduced in a while. Other officials of Bicol University, which I will be introducing in a while. Friends, if there are students, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It's a wonderful rainy day today, and I'm happy to be one of those who will be joining with everybody in this 3 days accreditation for a higher level. Bicol University is aptly described by this quote, which I got this morning. We are what we repeatedly do. We are what we repeatedly do. Bicol University embraces excellence, and therefore accreditation as a way of excellence becomes a habit. And as well as other evaluation of our programs is now becoming a habit in Bicol University. Why do we do that? Because we believe that excellence in education is when we do everything that we can to make sure that our students will become everything that they can. We salute our beloved President for envisioning Bicol University to become world-class. And truly, we cannot become world-class if we will not embrace excellence and quality in education. So today, we would like to express our gratitude to all our officials in Bicol University, specifically the deans, department chairs, the program coordinators, and all faculty members who rallied forth, and the IQA team as well, who rallied forth in the preparation for our Level 4 Phase 2 accreditation of 5 of our programs, 3 of which are in the master's degree and 1 in the bachelor's degree. The Master of Arts in Education, the Doctor of Educational Management, the Master of Arts in Public Administration, and the Master of Arts in Industrial Education for the master's program, and the Bachelor of Technical Teacher Education for our bachelor's degree, all in the 4th phase of, in the 4th level, Level 4 Phase 2 accreditation. Isn't it wonderful, everyone, for every one of us to look at Bicol University attaining this level of excellence? Indeed, we are grateful that our beloved accreditors are here with us to do this task ahead. So may I now be given the opportunity to introduce to you the members of the official family of Bicol University. We begin, of course, with our beloved president, the 8th president, Dr. Arnulfo M. Mascareñas, who is assisted by 4 vice presidents, Dr. Amelia Idorosan for academic affairs, Attorney Joseph L. Bartolata for administration and finance, Professor Jerry S. Bigornia for planning and development, Dr. Luis O. Amano for research and development. These are the 4 vice presidents, and following is our acting university and board secretary, and at the same time, the chief administrative officer of Bicol University, Attorney Norly P. Reyes. Our Presidential Management Office Chief of the Presidential Staff is headed by Dr. Reyna Habalo. For our academic deans and directors, our beloved Dean of the Graduate School is Dr. Herbert B. Rosana, who is at the helm of the 3 programs that will be accredited today. We also have the Dean of the College of Education, Dr. Lorna M. Minya, and following her is the Dean of the College of Industrial Technology, Dr. Jonathan C. Arroco. From the Jesse M. Robredo Institute of Governance and Development, the director is Dr. Noemi L. Ibo. From the College of Social Sciences and Philosophy, we have the Dean, Attorney Alex B. Nepomuceno. From the College of Business, Economics, and Management, our Dean is Dr. Eddie S. C. From the far north, we have the Polangi campus. Our Dean is Dr. Mary Joy B. Katangi. And we have from the College of Science, we have the Dean, Professor Jocelyn E. Serrano. From the College of Engineering, we have our Dean, Dr. Amelia A. Gonzalez. And from Tabaco Campus, we have Dr. Maria Gisela N. Mortega. From our Gubat Campus, the Gubat Campus is headed by our director, Dr. Rosemary R. Haji. And the director of the Institute of Design and Architecture is headed by, we have the director, Architect Leo Ed A. Del Rosario. From the Institute of Physical Education, Sports and Recreation, our director is Professor Karina L. Sales. The College of Arts and Letters is headed by our Dean, Dr. Leticia M. Lopez. From the Agriculture and Forestry, we have the Dean of the College, Dr. Rosefe B. D. The College of Nursing is headed by our Dean, Dr. Jean Annette S. Ibo. We have our new college, the College of Medicine. Our Dean is Dr. Luis Domingo B. Mendoza. From the College of Law, also one of the youngest colleges in Bicol University, we have our Dean, Attorney Hardy B. Akende. Our Open University is headed by our Dean, Dr. Ramesis B. Lorino. From our heads of offices, we have Attorney Darrell A. Redoblado, who is our University Legal Officer, Mr. Cyrus A. Barameda, the Chief of Internal Audit Services. Our Director for International Relations Office is Dr. Dimson M. Rivero. From the Information and Communication Technology Office, our Director is Dr. Aris J. Ordonez. The Director of Communication and Public Relations Office and our Master Lady of Ceremonies today, we have Dr. Renelyn E. Bautista. From the Alumni Relations Office, our Director is Dr. Charina J. Sipcon. The head of our Human Resource Management and Development Office is Dr. Jennifer T. Barameda. We have the Procurement Management Office is headed by our Director, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Bores. The head of the Supply and Managed Supply and Property Management Office is Ms. Salvacion L. Padilla. Our Records and Management Officer is Ms. Shelo L. Jailo. From the Motor Pool Services Office, our head is Mr. Edgardo M. Sevilla. From the Security Services Office, this is headed by Mr. Rolly S. Gonzalez. The General Services Office is headed by Mr. Giselle O. Opeña. Our Chief Administrative Officer under Finance Services is Attorney Lloyd P. Casasis. Following him is our University Budget Officer, Ms. Crisanta A. Botin. Our University Chief Accountant is Mr. Joseph S. Lopera, and our University Cashier is Ms. Cheryl R. Del Prado. We have, of course, the Director of the Internal Quality Assurance Office, who takes charge of accreditation and other quality assurance undertakings of Bicol University. The director is Dr. Leonila B. Barbacena, and she has a wonderful team with 4 members in her team in the IQA. From the admissions office, our dean is the University Admissions Office is Dr. Henny P. Lumibao. Our university registrar is Dr. Lani L. Maceda. From the Office of Student Services, Student Affairs and Services, our dean is Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III. Our university librarian is Ms. Glenda Aurora S. Julian. The University Health Services is headed by Dr. Leo N. Nuiles. We have a language center whose director is Dr. Irene R. Moral. Our National Service Training Program is headed by our director, Professor Eduardo Thaddeus M. Livica Jr. The Director for Research, Development, and Management Division, also at the same time, the Director for the Center for Policy Studies and Development, Professor Ronel R. Dioneda Sr. Our Director for the Extension Management Division is Professor Rowena F. Zoilo. From the Publication and Knowledge Management Division, the Director is Dr. Benedicto Balilo Jr. The Intellectual Property Management Division is headed by our Director, Dr. Nicanor B. Balbin. We have the Director of the BU Regional Center for Food Safety and Quality Assurance. We have Professor Maria Crispina P. Baltasar. And from the BU Center for Technology, Commercialization, and Enterprise Development, our Director is Dr. Arnulfo P. Malinis. Our Director for the BU Center for Teaching Excellence is Dr. Rebecca Rosario O. Bercasio. For the Center for Gender and Development, our Director is Dr. Noel R. Raffer. The BU Regional Center for Science and Mathematics Education is headed by our Director, Dr. Maria Eden A. Ante. The Regional Food Innovation and Commercialization Center is headed by our Director, Professor Maria Janessa A. Reyes. For the Planning and Development, our Director is Professor Alwin Joseph M. Maceres. We have the Physical Development and Maintenance Office. The Director is Engineer Ulysses R. Bellio. We have a Special Project Preparation Office. The Director is Professor Carlos B. Cortez Jr. For the Resource Generation and Physical Assets Management Office, our Director is Engineer Ana R. Abante. We have the Business Affairs Office, headed by our Director, Dr. Viola L. Amano. Now we are done with the officials of Bicol University. I'm now grateful to present to you members of the Accreditation Task Force. From the College of Arts from the College of Education. We have the Master of Arts in Education and the Doctor of Educational Management. Under research, the following are our members of the technical task force: Dr. Sheila I. Arroco, Professor Gerard M. Potasio, and Professor Janmari M. De Chavez. For the area under performance of graduates, these are taken care of by the members of the task force, such as the following. We have Dr. Maria Corazon P. Rico, Dr. Jocelyn F. Goyena, Dr. Sherry Orozco, and Professor Norma L. Magdato. Under area on community service, we have Dr. Maria Teresa M. Abainsa, Professor Rafael B. Buemia, and Professor Mary Grace A. Rodriguez. For the area on international linkages and consortia, the members of the task force are Dr. Rebecca Rosario Obercasio and Dr. Angela E. Lorenzana. Under the area on well-developed planning process, we have the two deans, Dr. Lorna Eminya and Dr. Herbert B. Rosana, taking care of this area for accrediting the programs. For the Master of Arts in Public Administration, under the Jesse M. Robredo Institute of Governance and Development, the following are the members of the task force. For area on research, we have Dr. Rosemary T. Frias. For the area on the performance of graduates, Dr. Noemi L. Ibo. For the area on community services, Professor Eda Salvacion P. Adornado. And the area on international linkages and consortia, Dr. Cynthia O. Mendoza. And for the planning process, Dr. Viola L. Amano. Under the program in the College of Industrial Technology, for the two programs, Master of Industrial Education and the Bachelor of Technical Teacher Education, excuse me, we have the following members of the task force. Excuse me. On area on research, Dr. Kenji E. Merenciano. For the performance of graduates, Professor Christian C. Calleja. Excuse me. On community service, Professor Wilma E. Pahavera. On international linkages and consortia, Dr. Jonathan C. Arroco, and the planning process by Professor Arlene A. Balleras. So that ends the presentation for the officials of the Bicol University. Now, may I also mention the members of the accreditation body from the AACO. We would like to warmly welcome the members of the accrediting team. The head or the coordinator for the AACO accreditation team, we have Professor Mary Joy A. Castillo from PUP. Madam, thank you very much for joining with us and welcome to Bicol University.
Morning
For the Master of Arts in Education, we have the following two accreditors: Dr. Marinel P. Dayawon, the team leader, who hails from the Isabela State University. Good morning, Madam, and welcome to Bicol University. We also have Dr. Jonathan Lord R. Aquino, still of Isabela State University. These are the two accreditors who will handle the accreditation of the Master of Arts in Education. For the Doctor of Educational Management, we have the following: Dr. Lorna A. Aquavera, who is the team leader. She is from President Ramon Magsaysay State University. Welcome to Bicol University, Madam. And with her is Dr. Rosel M. Beltran, also from Isabela State University. Our accreditors for the Master of Arts in Public Administration are the following. The team leader is Dr. Mary Jane D. Fuentes. She is from Laguna State Polytechnic University. Welcome and thank you, Madam. And we also have Dr. Lorenda S. Baldo of the Polytechnic University of the Philippines. Thank you and welcome. Also, we have the AACUP accreditation team of the College of Industrial Technology. The coordinator is Dr. Manuel A. Sanchez Jr. of Iloilo Science and Technology University.
Good morning,
Good morning, sir, and welcome.
Good morning po.
The Master of Arts in Industrial Education will be accredited by the following. Dr. Edilberto Z. Andal, who is the team leader, and he is from Laguna State Polytechnic University of the Philippines.
Good morning
And
po.
with him is Dr. Rene. Yes, sir.
Good morning po.
Thank you.
Bicol University.
Good
Our
morning.
president po, sir.
Thank you. Also with him is Dr. Rene E. L. Celda of Iloilo Science and Technology University. Thank you, sir, and good morning.
Good morning po, ma'am.
The Bachelor of Technical Teacher Education majors in Electrical Technology, Drafting Technology, Fashion, Garments and Design Technology, Food Service Management will be accredited by the following. Dr. Benica B. Briones, the team leader. She is from Pangasinan State University. Good morning po, Madam. And we have Dr. Manuel A. Sanchez Jr. from Iloilo Science and Technology University. So with this team of AACUP accreditors, we are grateful for your wonderful presence for these 3 days and for your efforts and of course for your valuable time which you shared to Bicol University. So with this, my dear friends, our beloved Bicol University family, we hope that we will make it for these 3 days accreditation for level 4 phase 2. So with this, maraming salamat po sa Indugabos, asin marhay na aldaw. Thank you very much.
That was our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Amelia A. Dorosan. Thank you, VP Ami, for your welcome message and for introducing the officials and accreditation task force of Bicol University and our AACUP survey team. This opening program, by the way, is live streamed through the official FB page of Bicol University through the Communication and Public Relations Office. We owe the continuous transformation of Bicol University as a world-class university to our collective efforts, led of course by our visionary president. Please welcome Dr. Arnulfo M. Mascareñas, SUP President for Bicol University and Philippine Association of State Universities and Colleges, Region 5 Chairperson. Sir?
Thank you very much, Ren. To our highly esteemed AACUP accreditors, headed by Professor Mary Joy Castillo and Dr. Manuel Sanchez Jr., my Bicol University family, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome to the AACUP Online Program Accreditation. Today, Bicol University, the premier higher education institution in the region, will once again submit 5 of its programs for accreditation as proof of our commitment to uphold academic excellence that makes a difference on the lives of our clientele. As a testament to our fervent desire to ensure quality assurance in all areas of our operations, we are once again embarking on this 3-day online review process, cognizant that passing the standards and being awarded the accreditation status by no less than the Accrediting Agency of Chartered Colleges and Universities of the Philippines, or AACU, is crucial in fulfilling our mission of providing quality education that is at par with the best universities in the world. Through the years, our strong partnership with the AACU has yielded fruitful results, allowing us to reflect and act upon our areas for improvement, and more importantly, enabling us to sustain our best practices and chart the trajectory of our future prospects. Friends, I can attest that the various BU programs that underwent AACU accreditation, both internal and external assessment, have greatly improved, thereby making our curricular offerings even more responsive and relevant to today's changing educational landscape. In fact, our continued quest for sustaining quality education, and largely in part because of the expertise of our friends from AACU, we were able to have significant gains in 3 major areas, particularly in the delivery of advanced and higher education services, research services, and extension services. In terms of our program offerings, almost 80% of our undergraduate programs and over 60% of the graduate programs have been accredited. This includes 47 programs which are level 2, 39 programs at level 3, 7 with level 1 accreditation, 3 are candidates for level 4, and 1 is a candidate for level 1 accreditation, including, of course, 45 programs that have been granted with COPC. But because we value maintaining quality and enhancing our place in the educational landscape, we have adopted accreditation as a way of life, part of Bicol University culture of excellence. This culture of excellence and the mindset for quality service is carried over into our research services with our BU R&D journal now included in the indexing of Crossref, Andrew Gonzalez Philippine Citation Index, Google Scholar, and research publication in economics, or REPEC. Also, our BU R&D journal is one of the 17 CHED recognized journals in the country since 2017 and is included in the Journal Incentive Program of the Commission on Higher Education. Our international linkages with our partner institutions have spawned various academic, research, and extension engagements. Likewise, our extension services includes 18 extension programs and 55 partnerships or linkages. All this we would not have achieved were it not for the continuous and indefatigable support of the entire Bicol University family. Consequently, this sustained partnership with AACU has shaped the practice of our entire Bicol University family, with accreditation becoming a way of life for our BU personnel. With all this, I would like to enjoin our competent accreditors that as you peruse the documents of the 5 graduate programs that will be subjected to your scrutiny. Let yourselves be guided as I pray for wisdom, strength, and patience for all of you. After all, going through these piles of electronic documents can be very exhausting and tiring, yet inspiring too, in a way that the growth of the university is somehow magnified. It is my hope that you will see the core values of scholarship, leadership, character, and service stamped in every document that you will meticulously inspect. To my beloved BU family, especially the faculty and staff of the 5 programs, thank you for your tireless support and meaningful engagement in achieving our vision, mission, goals, and objectives. As your president, I commend your indomitable spirit to take on the challenge of submitting your programs amid the pandemic. Thank you for your zeal and hard work in carrying out our mandate. This is proof of your commitment to uphold academic excellence and integrity, even in these trying times. As Bicol University sets its sights on the future, we vow to sustain our gains and create more milestones as we focus on improving our academic programs along these 10 key areas, namely faculty, curriculum and instruction, support to students, research, extension and community involvement, library, physical plant and facilities, laboratories, and administration. In our vision to become a world-class university, producing leaders and change agents for social transformation and development. Again, thank you very much, AACUP, for being our solid partner in ensuring quality assurance in all our curricular offerings. More power to you. Diyos mabalos, marhay na aga liwa.
Thank you, President Noli, for your continuing commitment to quality education. So indeed, Bicol University is in good hands. Friends and colleagues, our hearts are filled with gratitude for our AACUP accreditors who never gets tired of joining us in our quest for quality academic programs. Over the years, we've met various AACUP accreditors whose integrity and dedication to the advocacy of quality academic programs is beyond question. So once again, we listen to an overview of the AACUP accreditation process and at the same time, welcome to the Bicol University family our dear AACUP survey team of accreditors who will be introduced and presented to us by the AACUP coordinators, Professor Mary Joy A. Castillo from the Polytechnic University of the Philippines and Dr. Manuel A. Sanchez from Iloilo Science Technology University. Welcome to Bicol University, dear accreditors.
Good morning po.
Good morning.
Morning.
I will be coordinating the team of accreditors for Bicol University main campus. Actually, ano po ito, biglaan, ano po kasi yung pong talagang coordinator po sana nila, ang invited coordinator po nila ay namayapa po kasi yung tatay. Kaya, ayan. So anyway, okay po. So, pwede po bang makiusap sa ating pong mga accreditor pag nabanggit po natin yung pangalan? Although, nasa utak ko po kasi ay winelcome na po ni BPAA, no? Yung kami pong mga kasamahan natin ngayon. So, babanggitin ko na lang din po yung kanilang mga pangalan. So we have here for a Master of Arts in Education, majors in English Education, Reading Education, Filipino Education, Mathematics Education, Social Studies Education, Music Education, History Education, Physical Education, Chemistry Education, Biology Education, General Science Education, and Preschool Education. For our team leader from Isabela State University, Dr. Marinel P. Dayawon. Good morning, ma'am. So, with her, no, she will be assisted as the team member, no, from the same State University, Isabela State University, is Dr. Jonathan Lord R. Aquino.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sir. For our Doctor of Educational Management, our team leader is from President Ramon Magsaysay State University, Dr. Lorna L. Aquavera.
Marhay na aga po sa Bicol University at sa ating lahat po, their accreditors.
Good morning, ma'am. And as her team member from Isabela State University, Dr. Rosel M. Beltran.
Jos Pauma po from Isabela State University.
Good morning, ma'am. Then we have our last program for the main campus, Master of Arts in Public Administration. We have here our team leader from Laguna State Polytechnic University, Dr. Mary Jane D. Fuentes.
Yes, good morning, ma'am, and good morning to all po. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. And as her team member from Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Dr. Florenda S. Fribaldo.
Diyos maray na aga po sa Indogabos.
Ayan, magandang umaga po, no? Yan. So, pinlash naman po ng Bicol U ang mga educational background ng ating mga accreditors at talaga pong makikita natin na worth po sila para po suriin. No, pasensya na po, I'll be talking in Filipino because I am a Filipino major. No? Para po suriin, tasahin ang ating mga documents, no? Yung mga dokumento po natin sa mga program na hawak po nila. Ayan. So, paano po natin patatakbuhin yung ating pong pagsusuri, no, para po sa 3 araw. Actually, the Bicol University gave us our activities for the 3-day accreditation visit. Kaya lang makikiusap po sana kami because the presentation and forum was placed on the last day. So, magre-request po sana kami na gawin po ito tomorrow. No, tomorrow, March 8, yung ating pong presentation and forum para po ma-facilitate additional day kung sakali po na may i-request po ang ating mga team sa kanila pong mga program na hawak. Ano po? So maraming salamat po. Then we will proceed with our meeting with the local task force. Parang ang activity po natin ngayon ay meeting with the IQA, no? So siguro po ay itutuloy po natin ito pero magbe-breakout room po ang ating mga program for the meeting with the local task force kasi baka po meron na silang i-request doon, no? Per program po natin. So dahil ito po ay level 4 phase 2, actually, ang ano po natin, nakita naman na po namin sa program ang compliance po natin for level 3 phase 2 visit natin. Pero baka po pwedeng makahingi pa rin ng kopya po ng compliance natin ng level 3 phase 1. No po, para po mas makita po natin yung complete compliance, no, nung ating pong mga recommendations. Yun po yan. So, With that, thank you very much for the main campus. Salamat po.
Hello po.
Hello, good morning po.
Can I be heard?
Yes po, loud and clear, sir.
Okay po, salamat po. So, Dr. Arnolfo M. Mascareñas, you're very dynamic, supportive, and visionary university president. The 4 vice presidents, other key officials present, faculty and staff, students, other stakeholders, my fellow STEAM AACOP accreditors, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
The primary goal of this 3-day online accreditation exercise is to accredit your 2 programs at Legazpi East Campus for Level 4 Phase 2 under my supervision. The Master of Arts in Industrial Education and the Bachelor of Technical Teacher Education with majors in Electrical Technology, Drafting Technology, Fashion, Garments and Design Technology, and Food Service Management. But what is a Level 4 recognized program? As you are probably aware, Level 4 accredited status is the highest level of quality that a program can achieve through program accreditation. And according to CHED Memorandum Number 1, Series of 2005, Level 4 reaccredited status is awarded to academic programs that are highly respected in the Philippines as very high quality academic programs and with prestige and authority comparable to similar programs in excellent foreign universities. Keep in mind, however, that the program must have a grand mean rating of 4.5 and a minimum area mean of 4.0 in order to qualify for this accreditation level. Now to summarize, as mentioned by my co-coordinator, as AACOP accreditors, we will first review and evaluate your previous visits compliance report. We will investigate and assess the actions taken as well as the level of compliance with each recommendation. Compliance must be supported by relevant and substantial documentation. If we are not satisfied with the documentation, we will reaffirm the same recommendations in our report. Second, we will browse, analyze, and evaluate the narrative profiles of the 5 mandatory areas, which will be presented, verified, and clarified during the seminar. So these activities will take place over the course of the 3-day accreditation process. So without further ado, please allow me to introduce to you with honor and pride the STEAM AACOP team of accreditors for Legazpi East Campus. Accreditor, please open your video cam, wave your hand, and say a few greeting statements as I call your name. First, we have yours truly, Dr. Manuel A. Sanchez Jr. Retired na po ako as Professor 6, former OIC College President, former Vice President for Academic Affairs. I am from the Iloilo Science and Technology University, and I am in charge, or I am assigned as coordinator by AACOP to supervise the Master of Arts in Industrial Education and the Bachelor of Technical Teacher Education. Next, we have next slide, please. Next, we have Dr. Edalberto Z. Andal, an Associate Professor 5 the Dean, College of Teacher Education from Laguna State Polytechnic University. His educational background, he finished the Doctor of Educational Management, the Master of Arts in Industrial Education, and the Bachelor of Science in Industrial Education. He is the team leader in the Master of Arts in Industrial Education.
Good morning po, BU University. Salamat po for the invitation. And good morning, everyone.
With him, next slide, please. With him is Dr. Rene L. Celda, an Associate Professor 5, the Dean of the College of Industrial Technology, also from the Iloilo Science and Technology University. He finished his Doctor of Industrial Technology, Master of Science in Industrial Education, Major in Industrial Technology, and BS in Industrial Education, Major in Electrical Technology. So he's the lead accreditor for the Master of Arts in Industrial Education.
Yes, thank you, sir. Good morning, Bicol University. Good morning to my fellow accreditors. So God bless to all of us. Thank you.
Next slide, please. Next, we have Dr. Biniga S. Briones, an Associate Professor 5, also retired, the former University Extension Director of Pangasinan State University. For her educational background, she finished the PhD in Rural Development, Master of Science in Rural Development, BS Home Economics, major in Foods and Nutrition and Extension. She is the team leader for the Bachelor of Technical Teacher Education. Under po ako sa kanya, no? For evaluating the Bachelor of Technical Teacher Education. So,
good morning po sa atin lahat. Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Thank you, BSDU.
Okay, salamat po. So I'd like to conclude by sharing with you an inspiring thought to ponder. There are those who dream and wish, and those who dream and work. I repeat, there are those who dream and wish, and those who dream and work. Unquote. In your case, I hope you dream, wish, and work hard. If you do these things, I believe you will be able to pass this accreditation activity. So with that, I wish you all the best in your accreditation endeavors, and may the good Lord bless us all. Good morning po.
Thank you very much to our AACUP coordinators for your introduction of your AACUP survey teams and for walking us through the survey process. Special thanks also to the words of wisdom from Dr. Sanchez. After this opening program, by the way, there is a scheduled meeting of the accreditation team with the internal quality assurance team, and another one with respective task force per program. Stay tuned for further announcements of instructions on this after the Bicol University hymn. So ladies and gentlemen, friends and colleagues, dear accreditors, before we conclude this opening program and proceed to the work that lies ahead, kindly open your video cams and put on your warmest smiles as our internal quality assurance team works on setting up the photo session. I'd like to request members of the IQA technical team to prompt us in this photo session. Thank you.
Okay. Good morning. Please open the camera for the photo session. We have panel 1. We have 4 panels. Okay, panel 2. Panel 3. Okay. Last. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Professor Julita Obeles of the IQA, for facilitating this photo session. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Bicol University family, the ACUP online program accreditation is officially open. We conclude this opening program, friends, with the Bicol University hymn.
This is the school we wish to sing, of a school to honor and revere, a temple built by man of firmness, a mold for you to walk with pride, for He will always be united, although we tread on distant lands. We all shall cherish what you've taught us, that you wholeheartedly gave forth. Bicol University, burning torch of wisdom, fount of courage, hope, and love, seed of truth and light. Bicol University, burning torch of wisdom, fount of courage, hope, and love, seed of truth and light.
Before we leave this virtual opening program, I'd like to give some reminders. For the meeting of the accreditation team with the internal quality assurance team, the accreditors are requested